Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G31. In this video I'll show you how to send messages via Google Assistant. In the beginning, enter Google app, tap button in the right corner and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match, and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply say, "Hey Google, send message to Lily."
Sure. What's the message?
Hello, how are you?
Sending your message saying hello, how are you?
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.